inside the brand new 992 GT3 RS. One of my favorite parts about getting to the master's level of our Porsche Track Experience is we get to play with some of the newest, coolest toys from Porsche. In this case, we've got the brand new turbos, Turbo S's, GT3s, and now these GT3 RS's. This is the Weissach edition on top of that. And it's so cool to be able to share these things with some of our participants that have followed our curriculum building up, and now they're getting to free drive some of these brand new track cars from Porsche. So are you getting the most out of your abilities as well? We're going to set a baseline lap for some of our masters drivers to understand and maybe work on chasing at some point. Now inside this RS, we've got a lot of things we can play with. Now we're able to start playing with our stability control, our traction control, our torque vectoring in terms of how that differential works on coast, off throttle on the way into a corner, and on throttle when we deliver load. Our suspension we're able to adjust now so we can play with individual shocks, compression, and rebound. We've got the new DRS system so we can open up that rear wing on the back straightaway. It's awesome. Let's go play with it. Speed we can carry through the corners is so close to the GT3 Cup car. Gotta remember to hit that DRS flap. This thing feels like a go-kart. Gave me that kind of feel while I was driving around a racetrack. Oh, I want to do a few more laps. Can't wait till Masters next year, or a lottery ticket, one or the other. I don't care which comes first. I'm so excited for our guys to be able to get a chance to run these. Again, with drivers that are building up their skill set, they've progressed through precision and performance. They come to Masters and boy, are they greeted with a treat. Those that don't know what the Porsche Track Precision app is, back in the day with Porsches, these ECUs were recording so much information that was valuable to learning how to go faster and to use it for telemetry systems inside of race cars. And for the longest time, if you wanted a telemetry system inside your Porsche GT3 or GT3 RS, you either had to remove the radio, put a DIN in there and bolt something to that, or cut some holes in your dash or find a way to mount something. Figure out how it all works, get the proper software to make it work, and then try to find a way to understand how to extract the data and the value out of that data. Now, just with a cell phone, these Porsches have an internal Wi-Fi, and we can connect our cell phone to the car's ECU, and it'll record every single piece of telemetry that that ECU is recording while we're driving. We're not only talking RPM, gear, speed, etc. We're talking each individual wheel speed, tire pressures, throttle inputs, brake applications, steering input, whether it's getting into an understeer, an oversteer, wheel spin, and how close to that edge of grip, what those G's were, and whether you're continuously driving close to that edge. Hopefully we got the data. Hopefully we didn't get the data, then I can go ahead and do this all again. I want more. I want a lot more. That made my year.